Hello, class. Have you ever had difficulty planning your workday? Difficulty planning your future over immediate, medium, and long ranges? Difficulty choosing suitable friends or partners, or even suitable activities? Have any of these difficulties led to financial loss, loss in social standing, or even loss in family and friends? Has your intellect remained normal, which can be noted per your learning and retention of facts and skills? If you answered yes to all of these questions, I can assure you that these defects cannot, and I repeat, cannot be explained in terms of pertinent knowledge, intellectual ability, language, basic working memory, or basic attention. I know. You may be thinking, now Jamel, seriously, this is impairing my daily functioning. So if it can't be detected from any of the above areas, how can it be detected? Well, that's a great question. You may have damage to the prefrontal region that is centered in ventral and medial aspects of this region. Got it? No? Okay. In English, you may have focal damage in the frontal lobe. Still didn't get it? Alright, basically, some sort of damage has occurred in your brain in the region that processes human reasoning and decision making, which is separate from your intellectual abilities. Now that we've covered the basics, here are some facts to take into consideration. This is known as the somatic marker, aka somatic means of the body, and marker serves as a mark, essentially meaning signals in the body that influence the process of response to stimuli and occur overtly, consciously, and some occur covertly, non-consciously. When we make easy decisions, usually there's a reason, belief, or incentive that is readily available, which generally stems from cognition, pertinent knowledge, language, basic working memory. However, when we face complex and conflicting choices like engaging in sexual behavior and gambling, we need more than cognition, and this is where somatic markers are utilized. Somatic markers are associations between reinforcing stimuli that induce an association physiological affective state. Damasio suggests that somatic markers direct attention towards more advantageous options, which usually simplify the decision. And Jamel suggests, due to this simplicity, it usually complicates the outcome. This hypothesis that we are about to explain does not necessarily apply to the prefrontal cortex as a whole, but more specifically the ventral medial prefrontal cortex and the amygdala, which is central for what response? That's right, class, fear. And remember, the frontal lobe has various functions. So now that we've got that covered, Esther is going to cover more of this hypothesis in detail. Hope you learned something.